Hello everyone, today we delve into sequences and series. We will begin by defining a sequence. A sequence is simply a pattern or an arrangement of numbers. When numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on are arranged, that forms a sequence. Each of these numbers in a sequence is called a term. For example, 2 is a term. 4 is also a term. So when put together, we call them terms. So there are two types of sequences. We have arithmetic sequence and we have geometric sequence. So first we'll look at arithmetic sequence, then we'll come and deal with geometric sequence later. So what is an arithmetic sequence, or what defines arithmetic sequence? It is a sequence of numbers, or you can say it is a pattern of numbers that has a common difference. So what will be defining arithmetic sequence is D, that is common difference. For example, if you have 5, 7, 9, 11, you realize that if I take 7 minus 5, you get 2. 9 minus 7, you get 2. 11 minus 9 is 2. So you have the same difference across, and that is why we say it has a common difference. So to be able to calculate the position of the term, if you see the nth term, it means the position of the term. The nth term of an arithmetic sequence is given by a formula. Nth term is equals to a plus, open bracket, n minus 1 into bracket d. And we define each of these terms. A is simply the first term. Like in an example up here, 5, 7, 9, 11, 5 is the first term. So A would have been 5, like for the case there. Then D is the common difference, like for that case above, our D would have been 2. Then the position of the term, n is the position of the term. So if you are looking, for instance, for the 10th term, so our n for this matter would be 10. So I want us to do two examples in this first video so that we can make it short. Then the other video I'll do two other examples and I will give you 3 questions for practice with answers so that you can test your mastery. So given the arithmetic sequence 4, 11, 18, find A, the common ratio, then B, the 6th term. So in some questions they will tell you you have been given an arithmetic sequence. In other words, they are telling you that this question has a common difference. But in other questions, you just be told given 4, 11, 18, find the common ratio. Find the common difference. So like for this particular question, it is the very first example under arithmetic sequence. So this is not supposed to be common ratio. Rather, the question would have read part A, find the common difference, because an arithmetic sequence has what we call common difference. I believe whoever typed this question, part A, must have been an error. So how do we know that's an error? When you look at the numbers 4, 11 and 18, when you take 11 minus 4, a quick check, what is the answer? You get 7. Then also check 18 minus 11, you'll also get 7. So we are having the same number, meaning it's a common difference. So our D for that case is 7. Then once you have gotten the common difference, like we have for part A here, the second thing is to find the 6th term. And remember, we have said previously that to find the position of the term, we use the formula nth term is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, whereby A is the first term. So looking at first term here is 4. Then plus n is the position of the term we are talking about. For this case is 6. So 6 minus 1. Then into the common difference, which is 7 for this particular case here. So we will have 4 plus 6 minus 1 is 5. So 5 times 7, then you follow the laws of BODMAS. 7 times 5 is 35, then plus 4, you get 39. So that is our answer, remember, part A we're supposed to find the common difference, not the common ratio, and B we're supposed to find the sixth term. Let's do one more example before we make our video short to enable people to follow through. The 20th term of an arithmetic sequence is 60 and the 16th term is 20. Find the first term and the common difference. So for this case, they want us to find the first term. You remember the letter we are using for that? Letter A. And the common difference, do you remember the letter we are using for that? We are using letter D. So to be able to find the nth term, it is given by the formula A plus n minus 1 into D. So for this case, we have just been told that the 20th term of an arithmetic sequence is 60. So the term itself is 60. So the position of the term itself is 60. Then the first term is not given for that case. Then plus n minus 1. Remember our n, now we are talking about 20 minus 1 into D. When this expression is simplified, you'll be able to get 60 is equals to A plus 19D. That forms a linear equation. Then secondly, the 16th term is 20. So the term itself, the 16th term itself is 20. And the first term A is still not known. Then plus our n, remember we are talking about 16. So n will be 16 minus 1 into D. Then when you open the brackets, 20 is equals to, what is that? Is equals to A plus 15D. Now what we will do, we will solve this equation simultaneously because this now gives us the second linear equation. So we'll take 60 is equals to A plus 19D. Then secondly, we have 20 is equals to A plus 15D. So because A is the same, so we'll just eliminate by direct subtraction. 60 minus 20 is 40. Then A minus A is 0. 19D minus 15D gives you 4D. So if 4D is equals to 40, then you can divide through, because this 0 is nothing, so it will not affect anything. So you divide everything by 4. So D on the right will be equals to 40 divided by 4. So our D will be equals to 10. Remember, one of the equations was supposed to find the common difference, which is now 10. So you can use any of the equations, either equation 1 or equation 2. So 60 is equals to A using equation 1 plus 19 into D, and remember our D is 10. So 90 times 10 gives you 190. So 60 is equals to A plus 190. So to be able to collect like terms, we'll take 190 across the equal sign. So we'll have 60 minus 190 is equals to A. And when you do that, you'll find that the value of A is negative 130. So therefore, we have gotten the two answers. The first term is negative 130, and the common difference D is equals to 10. I want you to rewatch this video as many times as you can so that you can master these concepts. Then follow the next video that is coming after this, because I'll be able to do 2 more examples. Remember to leave your comments in case of any challenge, and I'll be able to help you further.